Hello Reddit. I assume you have seen these dark mode light mode memes, which is probably why you clicked on this video. And you're thinking, I want to make these myself. Well, you're in luck, because today I'm gonna show you how to make these memes. Okay, first of all, open the photo editing software of your choice, and for me it's the Photoscape X. But you can basically do this with any software that can do PNGs basically. So the first thing you gotta do is choose the template. So if you want to do a completely new one, that's up to you, but now, I'm just gonna simply tell the most simple version of this and how to do it. Of course, you can go more crazy on this one, but yeah, first thing you gotta do is make a transparent area. And when that's done, insert some text. Now just write whatever you want, like something like this. I know it doesn't look that good right now, but I'm just gonna show you how it's done. But now comes the trick. How the meme works is that there's transparency and there's white text. Now I'm gonna show you how that works in a second, but this is how you make the meme. Now just save it. Remember to save it as a PNG, not JPEG, otherwise this doesn't work. When that's done, we can post this on Reddit. Now I'm gonna just post this on my own profile. Now you see that this is not that well cropped, but this was done really quickly. But you can see that when I'm in light mode, the text doesn't show, but when I click it on the dark background, you can see it says dark mode, and that's basically how you can view different things like this. And that's how you basically make this meme. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on the next one.